nothing but an ex. Expired. Exit from my life. An ex. Expired. Exit from my life. I don't need your love. I don't need your heart. Was poison from the start. An ex.
गुड आफ्टरनून गाइस, दिस इज डे 2 व्लॉग नंबर 2। अब काफी लेट हो गया है हमें ये व्लॉग स्टार्ट करते करते बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीजें हम कर रहे थे। 3 बज चुके हैं एंड we are still using the Pixel, but there is a very interesting update. The Pixel is now sold, so tomorrow will be the last day I'll be having the Pixel, and once again I'll move to the Iqoo 11 as my primary device. We still have the Poco X3 Pro. Tomorrow's vlog, the third vlog is going to be very interesting because we're going to go to town and we're going to give the Mi 11X for fixing. वो phone dead चल रहा है। इसी के साथ साथ today we will be shifting a ROM on this device and we'll be doing a lot of gaming because of course आज Sunday है, बहुत सारे वीडियो शूट करने हैं Pixel देने के पहले। तो आज का तो पूरा दिन बहुत बिजी होने वाला है और ऑलरेडी काफी लेट हो गया, तो चलिए काम स्टार्ट करते हैं। लंच हो चुका है और काफी अमेजिंग वेदर है, तो काम करने में आने वाला है मजा। बने रहिएगा ब्लॉग के एंड तक और मुझे बताइए कमेंट सेक्शन में which device should I buy next because I'm selling the Pixel. I can buy a device used for around 35-40,000 and it will be interesting what you tell me. We might add that device to the channel as well. So in yesterday's video we spoke about the Pixel 7 extensively because I've been using that device for 3 to 4 days, but we did not speak a lot about this phone. This is the Iqoo 11 and Iqoo or Iqoo 11, whatever you want to call it. So the reason I'm talking about this device today is I'll give you a 2 to 3 minutes glimpse of after spending 50,000 what exactly do you get with Iqoo, and if you're talking about the used market, you can get this device for around 42,000, 43,000, and we are selling it for the same price. So I sold my Pixel for around 38,000 and I'm going to be selling this device for a minimum of 40,000, not below that. But for now I'll be using this as a personal device, and to give you a quick snapshot, it has a very decent camera, excellent battery life, it easily lasts you a day because it has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Things that I missed in the Iqoo 11 is remember I had 2 Iqoo 9 Pros at different times, and those had this ultrasonic fingerprint scanner with a curved display. I definitely missed the curved display after using the Moto for 2 to 3 months as a personal device. I definitely missed the optical fingerprint scanner, but the fingerprint scanner on this is pretty good. I'm not enrolled this finger, so otherwise it works really fast. The moment you click on it, it works absolutely okay, so no problems there. Apart from that, if you ask me, look wise, camera wise, overall this is very good. It comes with a 120 watt charger, so the charging is not a problem, and of course it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, so gaming is excellent. At the same time, this comes with a very beautiful display. So if you get this phone anywhere between 38 to 40,000 and you want to use it for 2 or 3 years, this is a very good phone, but I would not recommend you to spend 50,000 on an Iqoo device, because if you're spending that much money, I would recommend you to try a OnePlus because it comes with a curved display, and I feel still FunTouch OS has a lot of ads and a lot of other things. Now, moving away from the Iqoo, yesterday we shot the English version of the Dubfest review. Today we'll be shooting the Hindi version of Dubfest review. I'll be shooting a few speed tests between the Pixel 7 and Iqoo, and Pixel 7 and the Poco X3 Pro, and Poco X3 Pro and Iqoo as well. So although these processors don't match or इतना ज़्यादा comparison नहीं होना चाहिए because these are 3 different chipsets, but मजा आता है। हमारा 11X मिसिंग है, जैसे कि मैंने बताया, it is dead. बट इन डेली व्लॉग्स में काम करते करते मुझे आपके साथ बात करने का मौका मिलता है। I get a chance to speak to you guys to tell you what exactly is going on, and it will keep the channel going and it will be a lot of fun for you to know what is happening behind the scenes. Today the studio will be looking much better, and sometimes the studio will be clutter free and very well organized. I will give you a small tour then as well, and I want to know from you guys in the comment section what do you think about the setup, what are the things that I should change, and which service centers should I visit, which local shops should I visit in Mumbai and around Mumbai, because these vlogs are going to be almost daily. Every once in a while I might miss it, but yes. So for now, what is the status? It's around 3:20 and we are around 7 to 8 hours. I'll be working till 9 or 10 today, so I'll shoot at least 3 or 4 videos and let's see how the day goes. For now, let's move on to the clutter-free mission and let's clean the office. So it is around 4:58 in the evening right now, and let's talk a little bit about the Pixel because जाने वाला है कल. I think this is getting sold a little early, right? I wanted to use it for one more week. I started enjoying it, But that's okay. Battery life definitely has improved compared to the previous 2 days, because right now it's around 5 in the evening. It still says it has 11 hours and 55 minutes left. And if we talk about the battery usage over here, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, we've had about, say, screen count, 1 hour 30 minutes of screen on time, and we're still at 59% battery. So the battery backup is pretty insane, and this is the toughest review that we are editing right now. So it will take some time. I think 8 घंटा तो minimum लग जाएगा to edit this. And one more thing, guys, this is just a second vlog. So the audio quality, video quality, camera angles, everything will improve. And as you can see already, when desk को organize कर दिया, पूरा studio organize कर दिया, so things will get better with time. Just bear with me, and you will start liking these daily videos, because we are not only going to shoot indoors, we'll shoot outdoors as well, as I said. So let's quickly edit this video and see how. So we are halfway editing the video of Poco X3 Pro Surface review, and it's taking a while because it's a more than 10-minute video. Meanwhile, I thought I will give you guys a glimpse of what exactly I'm planning next as far as the devices are concerned. Now, over the last 3 to 4 years when we've had this channel, I've made custom ROM videos for a lot of devices, and I'm not going to abruptly stop that, but we're going to have more general topics, but we are adding a few devices as well. I do have a list that I've made over here. So I'm planning to add the Poco X4 Pro, the Poco F4 and the Poco F5, which was recently launched. We will also add the Nothing Phone 1. So these are at least 4 devices that we'll be adding for sure. These will cost us around 60 to 70,000 in total. So one by one we will add them, and it is going to be very interesting to see how the custom ROM scenario for these devices is. At the same time, every now and then we'll be getting devices like the Poco X3 Pro or the Pixel 7, the Iqoo 11. I keep buying and selling these devices, so sooner or later, the experience will improve. There will be multiple videos coming related to latest devices, and it will be very, very interesting. Now, these daily vlogs will be full of content, full of different things that we do, as I said, but I would want your help. I would want to know from you what exactly do you expect. Upcoming devices is something that we can discuss. What devices should support custom ROM, software updates, a lot of interesting things. For now, we are almost towards the end of the day. Today it's 6:15, and I don't think I'll be able to do a live stream today as well, because I have to get this video out by 8 or 9 o'clock. And by the time you see this vlog, which is on Monday morning, that video would have already gone out. So please check out that video of Poco X3 Pro and give your feedback. Meanwhile, I'll complete editing this video and uploading it. And towards the end of the day, we'll talk a little bit about the battery of the Pixel and how the camera experience has been, because as I said, this device is going to go away tomorrow, and I am thinking of buying a Pixel again because I'm sort of enjoying using this. Once you get used to the way this device is designed to be used, it's not really that difficult. I'm used to this device with a 120 watt charger, so I'm never worried about charging, because if I plug it in for 10 minutes, it's 80% charge. But that's not the same with Pixel. Pixel Pay, you have to give it like 1.5 hours to charge from say 10 to 100%. So what I do is I use adaptive charging for overnight charging, and during the day it works well. Today is the 5th day that I'm using the Pixel, and now I'm more than 50% battery in the evening, which is a really, really good sign. That means the battery life is improving, and the Tensor G2 and the AI on the chip is doing a great job. Let's get done with this video, and then let's continue on. Alright, so finally the Surface review is encoding, and I've also made a list of the videos that I'm going to be making this week. So it is a long list, and I don't know how I'm going to do it all alone. But shooting in the studio and making videos for you guys with these topics is very, very interesting and a lot of fun for me. I missed out on a lot of opportunities when the channel was growing, and this story is something that I will continue to tell you in bits and pieces over the last 4 years being a YouTuber and leaving a good profession and moving to making videos and doing other things, what all I have learned and how this journey has been. It's going to be very, very interesting. For now, to end the day, I can tell you the Pixel is at 48% battery at 737. I've used the phone less today, but still it's doing much better. So adaptive battery is definitely doing a good job. If you have any questions regarding the Pixel, the Poco X3 Pro, or the Iqoo 11? You can let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer them. I will try to make a short review of 8 to 10 minutes of a Pixel before I actually give this device away. So stay tuned for that. For now, this is adios from this vlog. I'll see you tomorrow in another one. Until then, keep smiling, take care, goodbye.
I'm not